Welcome. In this explainer, we're taking a close look at Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology in Virudunagar. The TNEA Code is 4959. This is for you if you're preparing for the 2026 engineering admissions and want to understand the college's core strengths.
Okay, let's get right into it. When you're looking at any engineering college, probably the most important signal of quality is what outside experts think. And right away, we see something pretty significant here. 7 out of their 9 undergraduate engineering programs are accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. That's a huge deal, and it's where we're going to start.
So, let's break down exactly what these core credentials are. These really form the bedrock of the college's academic reputation.
First off, the college has UGC autonomous status. Now, what's really impressive here is the duration, a full 10 years, all the way until 2029. You don't see that very often. It's basically a major vote of confidence from the UGC, and it signals a high level of academic maturity and trust.
And of course, as you'd expect, the institution holds active approval from the All India Council for Technical Education for the upcoming academic year. That's a fundamental requirement.
Now, having such a high ratio of accredited programs is absolutely crucial for parents and students. Just look at the list: computer science, ECE, biotech, mechanical, and electrical. They're all accredited until June 2026. And on top of that, IT and mechatronics have their accreditation valid all the way until June 2027. This shows a really consistent commitment to high standards across their main branches.
Okay, so we've established the quality credentials. Now, let's look at the trust behind the college and the essential infrastructure that's there to support the students. So, the college was established way back in 1998 by the SBG Chidambara Nadar C. Nagamal Educational Trust. It's a self-financing autonomous college affiliated to Anna University, and admissions are through TNEA counseling, with the usual split between government and management quotas.
You know, the college's mission statement gives us a good peek into its philosophy. It's not just about churning out engineers with technical skills. There's a clear focus on human values and always getting better.
Now, for the practical stuff that every parent thinks about. The college provides key on-campus support. Yes, there are separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And for day scholars, they have a pretty big transport fleet. We're talking nearly 30 buses that cover Virudunagar, Madurai, and all the areas around them.
Okay, so you have this stable foundation, and all the essential facilities are in place. But the big question is, what opportunities does all of this actually create for the students who come here to study?
Let's dive into that. We'll explore the academic programs they offer and, maybe more importantly, how the college connects those programs to real-world jobs and career paths. The college offers a really solid range of 9 UG engineering branches. You've got all the core disciplines you'd expect, like mechanical and ECE, but importantly, it also includes a new age branch in artificial intelligence and data science. And let me tell you, that is exactly what the industry is crying out for right now. And it's not just about the UG programs. There's a serious commitment to research here. The college has its own dedicated research centers, and a lot of the faculty members hold PhDs. This isn't just for show. They have a strong record of guiding scholars to their doctorates. For example, just the biotechnology department has seen 14 scholars complete their PhDs recently. That tells you a lot about the depth of expertise available.
And this is how they build that bridge to the industry. They've set up dedicated centers of excellence with big names like SMC Pneumatics and Tesov Semiconductor. At the department level, they have tie-ups, MOUs, with tech firms for training. And on top of that, students and faculty get to work on projects that are actually funded by national bodies like AICTE and MSME. That's some valuable, practical exposure right there.
Which brings us to what might be the most critical section for any family making this big decision: the career outcomes, the placements, the ultimate return on investment.
The highest salary package a recent graduate has landed is 10 lakhs per annum. This shows you the kind of potential that's achievable for students straight from campus.
And, just as importantly, the average salary package is a very consistent 3.9 lakhs per annum. This number suggests a healthy, reliable placement outcome for most students across all the different branches.
You know, the strength of a college is often best seen in its alumni. And here's a fantastic example. An alumnus who is a senior vice president at one of the world's top investment banks, Goldman Sachs, in London. And that global reach continues. Here's another alumnus working with Robert Bosch in Germany, a true giant in the global engineering and technology space. And closer to home, the college also paves a clear path into India's best product companies. This alumnus is now a member of technical staff at Zoho Corporation, which is a dream company for so many engineering graduates today.
Finally, let's look at a few key distinctions, a couple of things that really set this institution apart from the pack.
The college is recognized by the Ministry of HRD as a nodal center for NPTEL. This basically means students get direct access to high-quality course material straight from the IITs and ISIC. It's a fantastic learning resource to have.
Okay, now this is the real kicker. A faculty member from their Electrical and Electronics Engineering department has been ranked among the top 2% of scientists worldwide by Stanford University. And listen, this wasn't a one-off. They achieved this recognition for 3 years in a row, 2022, 2023, and 2024. That is an absolutely exceptional, world-class validation of the quality of talent at this institution.
Please note that all information presented is based on the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time this explainer was prepared. To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.